Unconventional landscaping in courtyard design, thinking outside the box. In the realm of courtyard design, unconventional landscaping has emerged as a captivating trend that encourages designers and homeowners alike to think outside the box. By embracing unique ideas and innovative approaches, non-traditional designs can transform ordinary courtyards into extraordinary spaces. This article delves into the realm of unconventional landscaping, exploring alternative plants, experimental gardens, and contemporary courtyards that push the boundaries of traditional design. Embracing uniqueness, courtyard design beyond convention. In the quest for exceptional courtyard design, it is imperative to break free from the shackles of traditional landscaping. By challenging the norm and exploring unconventional ideas, designers can breathe new life into courtyards that truly stand out. One way to achieve this is by incorporating alternative plants that deviate from the conventional choices typically found in courtyard landscaping. Experimenting with alternative plants, a fresh perspective. Instead of relying solely on commonly used plants, an unconventional approach involves integrating lesser-known varieties, exotic species, and drought-tolerant plants. This not only adds a touch of uniqueness to the courtyard, but also promotes sustainability and environmental consciousness. Imagine a courtyard adorned with vibrant succulents, eye-catching ornamental grasses, or cascading vines, creating a mesmerizing visual tapestry that defies convention. The art of non-traditional design, pushing boundaries in courtyard landscaping. Courtyard design is no longer confined to traditional templates. It has evolved into a realm where creativity knows no bounds. By adopting an experimental mindset, designers can craft courtyards that reflect their personalities and aspirations. This section explores various unconventional design ideas that can elevate courtyard spaces to new heights. Contemporary courtyards, the fusion of modernity and nature. A contemporary courtyard design takes the concept of unconventional landscaping to the next level, combining sleek architectural elements with organic beauty. Incorporating clean lines, minimalist features, and innovative materials, such as glass and metal, creates a striking juxtaposition against the softness of plants and natural elements. This fusion results in a courtyard that is both visually captivating and functionally efficient. The charm of eclectic gardens, mixing styles and textures. Embracing an eclectic garden approach allows for the seamless integration of contrasting styles and textures within a courtyard design. By combining elements of formal and informal gardens, designers can create a sense of harmony and surprise. Imagine a courtyard adorned with a blend of structured topiaries, wildflower meadows, and rustic sculptures, where each element tells a unique story. Unconventional landscaping in courtyard design offers a world of possibilities for those seeking to create extraordinary outdoor spaces. By thinking outside the box, embracing alternative plants, and adopting non-traditional design approaches, designers can transform courtyards into captivating havens that delight the eye and inspire the soul. Whether it's experimenting with contemporary elements or crafting an eclectic garden, the potential for creativity and innovation is boundless. So, dare to explore the realms of unconventional landscaping and redefine the way we perceive and design courtyard spaces. In today's rapidly evolving world of design, conventional landscaping ideas are being challenged, giving rise to unique and innovative approaches. Courtyard design, traditionally dominated by structured and predictable layouts, is now embracing the idea of thinking outside the box. An unconventional landscaping approach not only adds a touch of creativity to these outdoor spaces, but also opens up endless possibilities to transform them into stunning and captivating areas. This article will explore the concept of unconventional landscaping in courtyard design, showcasing unique ideas, alternative plants, and non-traditional design elements that are sure to inspire. Embracing creative solutions. Breaking free from traditional boundaries, encouraging experimentation, and embracing new ideas is key to thinking outside the box in courtyard design. Incorporating elements of surprise. Introducing unexpected elements like a water feature or a sculpture can add a sense of intrigue to the overall design. Mixing materials. Combining different textures, such as wood, stone, and metal, can create visual interest and lend a contemporary edge to the courtyard. Exploring alternative plants. Ditching the usual suspects, experimenting with unique and lesser-known plant varieties can provide a refreshing twist to courtyard landscaping. Vertical gardens. Creating living walls with cascading plants not only maximizes space, but also adds a stunning visual impact to the courtyard. Native flora. Opting for locally sourced plants not only ensures sustainability, but also enhances the courtyard's integration with its surroundings. Unconventional design elements. Art installations. Incorporating modern art pieces or sculptures can serve as focal points and bring a touch of sophistication to the courtyard. Innovative lighting. Introducing subtle or dramatic lighting options can transform the courtyard's ambience during different times of the day. Sustainable features. Incorporating eco-friendly elements like rainwater harvesting systems or solar-powered lighting showcases a commitment to sustainability. Creating an experimental garden. Playful water features. Incorporating unconventional water features, such as floating fountains or rain curtains, can add an element of whimsy to the courtyard. Edible landscaping. Integrating edible plants into the design not only provides a sustainable food source, but also adds a unique twist to the traditional concept of landscaping. hidden nooks and seating areas, creating hidden pockets within the courtyard, complete with cozy seating arrangements, adds an element of surprise and invites exploration. Unconventional landscaping in courtyard design offers a fresh and exciting approach to transforming outdoor spaces. By thinking outside the box and embracing unique ideas, alternative plants, and non-traditional design elements, courtyards can be elevated into contemporary havens of creativity and beauty. This innovative approach challenges traditional norms and allows homeowners and designers to unleash their creativity and create truly remarkable spaces that leave a lasting impression. So, why stick to the ordinary when you can embrace the extraordinary in your courtyard design?